Hello everyone, and welcome to another Swalt 123 video. And in this video, we're not going to be working on anything. Well, we actually are, but we're not going to work on it all through the video. So, this is the RC charger that you should all know if you've been subscribed to the channel for at least around Christmas time. And, it stopped running for a little bit, and now it's up and running. And there's also snow outside of my porch. So I'm going to put on some off-road tires off my old charger. And we're going to go drift this thing in that snow. And this thing's dead. I hate that it charges by USB, because the USB just loses its charges while it just sits next to my Mustang. The Mustang keeps its charge. And I don't get why this can't keep it. Because the Mustang is USB. But the Mustang... it's broken a lot and stuff. So it just sits there, waiting for its next driver. And that's one of them off. And these tires are smaller. This is this tire, and that's this one. They're not, but they will keep their traction. And you can hear my dog. But we're gonna put these black screws on. To be racist, to match the wheels, and I need to get a better mount, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have a better mount, and those just slide on over, and then we put the screws in, and tighten it up, and they're really hard to put in, so let me just get this up here, and then just start screwing them in. And you can see that they're smaller because they don't go into the fender like the other tires do. And I hope I don't shred these tires, because the old ones, my brother's charger ended up dying, so from snow use, and so I'm gonna have to put paper over my motor so it will stay alive. So that's that one done. Now let's move to this side and get this one out. And this thing I haven't used in a while. So, and that RC truck over there has been my main focus of getting running. Finally got it running. Now I just need glue for the suspension again. As always, it comes off. I don't know what New Bright did, but they obviously didn't do well with putting suspension on that truck. It's not gonna stay on. Okay, so tighten this up, and then I'm gonna run down and get some paper and some tape and paint and get it. Go. The charger with off-road wheels is now started to be. So I'm gonna go down and get some paper, and I'll be right back. This is a 2009 GMC non-RC truck that I use to haul my RC wheels here, and this is where they were on the back. These came off the back of this flatbed right here. And as you can see, with the amount of weight that we have in the front, this back tire comes off the ground. So yeah. And basically, we have two other sets of the off-road tires back here, because we got that other one that broke down. So we shred these out there. We still have some new ones. These must have came off this side. Yep, they did, because the screws are over here too. So I got the tape, I had the paper, so let's get ready to work on the motor. I've never done this before, so I'd say about I'm going to try something here first. I'm gonna do a little square here and see if that'll do it. Yeah, let's tape it on there. I'm using Scotch tape, probably not the best idea. But that's what I got. And I hope this stays on to keep the motor safe. Alright, so now get this thing outside. It died. And I don't understand why it died, so this drifting episode is going to have to go on to the red truck. It has broken rear suspension, but can still drift. The suspension is in the back of the bed of the truck because it's broken. I had to get some glue for it. So, we're going to take this out with absolutely no back suspension at all because it doesn't even go down anymore. And drift this thing. So, let's go do it. was to try and drive it in the backyard and put you guys on the truck again. Well, that didn't go so well. When I lost control of it, it went super speed and ran over the Nerf and tripod. So I'm going to put the suspension back in it and try and reverse it out. Come on, there's a Chevy body right by you. That's an old Chevy body. I don't even know what that came from. Looks like an old RC that I had too. Come on. Doesn't have any traction. Yeah, it's stuck on the bumper. Get it off the Nerf tripod. And it goes flying again. So, there will be probably another video coming out today of just going off-roading in my backyard. So I'm going to go up their stairs and charge it with this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. And here's what I want to show you. So, this charger over here is the charger we took the wheels off of. One of them. This thing did not want to run. It ran on batteries. Spiderweb's full of the crap. So, it's dead now. That's what I think of it. I'm going to go inside, take my real RC truck in there. So, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hit the huge like on it. And I'm really sad I didn't get to use the charger 30 seconds. And then the rest of it was this. So, I'm really sad I didn't get to use that, but hopefully when it's charged up, we'll get to use it again on the channel, because it's failed us a lot. So.